It is Thursday, March 2nd. And it was a little rainy today. The storms are coming across the United States. We did not have the terrible tornadoes and blizzards that the Midwest had, thank God. But anyway, we could use the rain and the pollen. It's helped wash that first layer of green pollen off the deck furniture, etc., off our windshields, off our shoes, out of our rugs. Pollen, it's the joy of springtime in pine country in North Carolina. All right, I haven't shown these to you lately. I keep them. They're lovely. These are all of the South Beach magnetic pins that are perfect for shawl pins because the magnets are so strong. So I thought I would select a few and show them to you and see if you might be interested. So these are all $27.95, I believe. So anyway, we'll start with this angel with a pearl. She's lovely. Can you see her? These are all rhinestones around the edge, and then here, and then there's the pearl, and she's sitting in a lovely circle pin. So that's pretty. All right, that's a big one. And along that same theme, this navy blue ballerina whose legs go back and forth. She's pretty cute. Navy blue, it's kind of a lovely color. Then we've had this guy before, but the green and blue fish is just lovely. Just a little pop of color and so shiny and happy. This is a giant one. This is a peacock, I guess. Yes, it's a peacock. Very beautiful. Has two magnets on the back, so big peacock. Then we have this really kind of cool alligator, and I think he's more turquoise than green, but he's really pretty. If you live in Florida and gators are something that happens around you, you might be interested in a gator, or maybe South Carolina. All right, that's a gator. Or if you went to Florida, that would be perfect, right? If you're a Florida gator. This is a very cool bee enamel. No glitter, just enamel. Really nice, I like it. Very pretty. This is another bee, all glitter and rhinestones. So pretty. I like it. Golds, taupes. And last but not least, a beetle. And I love her wings. Every little stone on her wings is a different color. So that's very happy. Would go with lots and lots of things. And last but not least in that category, a fleur-de-lis. So with the Mardi Gras colors of green and purple. Very cool. All right, all 27. Now, in the same situation, and then I'm going to show you a bunch of agates, is this beautiful tree of life. That's really nice. It's a bronze background with the filigree in the turquoise color. Lovely. All right, now I have a bunch of agates, which are always beautiful. This one, purple and brown with the striae, the stripe in the middle. This one, all greens, but such beautiful greens. This one, cream, a little bit of green, and then that beautiful terracotta. This one is pink and greenish. Lovely. And this last one is just beautiful, but it's all in the greens. It's more like a slice. It's really pretty. All right. Everything, $27.95. So I have them. They make great shawl pins. They fit on your lapel. They make a lovely gift. They're fun. It's a conversation piece, right? It's all good. Let me remind you that if you are having trouble with a project that you have started and put down and maybe forgot you had, and now you're ready, we have Help class on Thursday mornings from 10 to 12, 10:30 to 12:30, whenever you get here, those 2 hours. And it's $15 for a drop-in class. You do not need to make a reservation, but just come in for help. Most of the time, whoever's here can help with knitting for sure, and crochet probably. If it's me that's here, crochet, I'm like pretty lost. But we try and do both. We have more and more crocheters, which is fabulous. We can also schedule individual classes for $40, I think, for an individual class. A private lesson, I think that's the new price. I can't remember. But anyway, so we can teach you anything that you want to learn. So join us. We can help you. We can get you started. We can get you unstuck. We can give you confidence. You too can knit and crochet. We'll prove it to you. Got to make new crocheters and new knitters, right? We got to keep this craft alive. It is alive and well, thank goodness. All right, enough. I'll talk to you tomorrow.